Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you know that you can make a tasty soup with just mackerel fish? If you doubt me, come let's do it together. This is all I need for this budget soup. All that is needed in this budget soup is okra fish, crayfish, oil, pepper, onion, ugu leaf seasoning cube and salt. The first thing I did was to blend pepper, onion, crayfish with the aid of water. I import already clean mackerel fish, add pepper, onion and crayfish blend. I added more water to cook the fish, then add salt and seasoning cube. Turn it around and allow the fish to cook till it is ready. As the fish gets cooked, I will take it out from the pot because I'll be using the pot to start my main cooking. So into a pot, I add palm oil, allow it to get hot, then went in with onion. Allow it to fry for 20 seconds. Then I went in with hand chopped okra. After frying the okra for 120 seconds, then I add the stock and the fish. I want the consistency of this soup to be very thick, reason why I'm adding everything bit by bit. I don't want it running. After adding the fish and the stock, give it a good stir and allow it to come together for a minute. Then I went in with pumpkin leaf, stir it and allow it to come together again for 15 seconds. And our soup is ready. Tell me, which swallow are you pairing this with? I made this soup with less than 3,500 naira and it came out super yummy. Tell me, will you be trying this? Do well to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so and give this video a thumbs up so that this video will be suggested to many people. To my returning subscribers, I'm grateful you that comes back to watch my video. I'm super happy. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.